Hello, you are welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about UZOR ARUKWE, his biography, wife, children, net worth, age, state of origin, and family. Let us talk about Odogwu Parara. Let us dive into the video. UZOR ARUKWE is a Nigerian actor, MC, television personality, media entrepreneur, and a model. He is a very handsome and a highly talented Nollywood actor who has recently won the hearts of his fans with his brilliant delivery of his roles.
Mommy, why?
Now stop now.
Oh, no, now.
Oh, stop this
What's wrong
thing now.
with you? Okay, so what are you going to do by 6 o'clock today?
We have date on Building Steven TV.
Okay, Mommy, why is coming out?
Mommy, what?
He was born on the 6th of August 1983 in Rivers State. He is currently 41 years old, but UZOR ARUKWE originally hails from Imo State, Nkwere, southeastern region of the country called Igbo tribe. He is a Christian and he grew up in Lagos State. He is from a polygamous family. His family include his mother, his stepmother, father, and his 2 siblings. His parents, Mr. and Mrs. Arukwe, are both alive and they hailed from Nkwere in Imo State. His mother's name is Iroma Arukwe. He studies guidance and counseling in Lagos State University. And both parents are from Imo State. UZOR ARUKWE has 2 siblings, one from his mother and one from his stepmother, 2 boys, making them 3 boys in the family. His immediate brother's name is Ebuka. His father never supported his career because he wants his son to be an engineer, not an actor. UZOR ARUKWE's educational background. He is well educated and he attended early life nursery and primary school, Festac, Lagos. He also attended in Nigerian Navy School, Port Harcourt. He went to Abia State University and he went for his service in the year 2007 in Minna. He went to Calabar where he got a bachelor degree in economics. He went more further and got his master's degree in business administration. Arukwe's educational background is impressive. Despite his solid educational background, UZOR ARUKWE started his career at a very tender age, starting from his primary school where he started from dancing, and he discovered his acting talent in secondary school where they would just play drama and he would be the great actor of the day.
Lonely at the top. Lonely, lonely, lonely. Money on my mind. Always changing money. I don't care what they say about me in particular. When they call me. When I know.
UZOR ARUKWE started his career as an actor immediately after his secondary school education.
You should wear something normal. Babe, come on now. Look, everybody knows you're a star. That be the star. Babe, cool. I'm letting your guy shine small. Nobody will look at me now.
I'm sorry, I'll go change.
All right.
You look good, though. I'm jealous of you.
Wow, this is a nice dress. Davi and I are just friends. She's just a great colleague of mine. She's like a sister to me, actually. You know, I know that we have great on-screen chemistry.
UZOR ARUKWE has worked in a corporate firm for 10 years from 2008 to 2018 before he resigned to focus in his acting career. UZOR ARUKWE has early worked in Etisalat Communication. He was a former retail sales advisor and chief at Etisalat from 2007 to 2012 in Lagos State, Nigeria. He also worked in fitness and sports solution from 2013 to 2018 as a fitness manager and a digital maintenance. He acted his first movie in 2005 when he was still in university. He got a role from Christ Embassy Church. The name of the movie is Fish Brain. UZOR ARUKWE fully started his acting career in 2018.
Hi everyone, my name is UZOR ARUKWE. I greet you. One of the major
He has acted alongside with top Nollywood actors and actresses such as Funke Akindele, Nancy Sime, Ruth Kandre, Timini, Bimbo, and so many others.
Only for me to meet your big-headed girlfriend talking about me. Look, it's not late. I can return the car and give you back your money if you need it urgently.
He acts so well. He acts so perfectly well. He delivers his role very well. He has acted so many movies that people are talking about till today. So some of his works are Suspicious, Thin Line, Vanity, Broke and Proud, A Tribe Called Judah, Love in Every Word, and so many others. He has won the hearts of Nigerians because he acts so very well. He delivers his role perfectly well. He acts as a comedian and he acts as a very serious person.
Echetara m mgbe ndị mmadụ ga-anọkọ, ndị mmadụ weta nri, ndị mmadụ one person ga-eweta mmanya, anyị nọkọ rie nri, ṅụọ mmanya, wetekwa n'obi aṅụrị.
UZOR have been recognized in so many awards in Nigeria and at African Magic Viewers Choice Award. About UZOR Arukwe's marital status, he got married in 2012. He took his family out of social media. Reasons best known to him: they are married with keys. He did his traditional wedding and his white wedding, including his court wedding. He is happy married with keys. UZOR's wife is a career woman and she is from Delta State. They both have 2 princes, 2 daughters. UZOR Arukwe says that he don't want to disclose his family in social media because he wants his family to live a normal life, because celebrity life is not easy to maintain. So he wants his family to live a normal life, go to wherever they want to go, spend time with whoever they want to spend time with, and come back home freely. And his wife loved the idea. About his net worth, UZOR Arukwe has built a successful career in Nollywood industry, and he has made a lot of money in Nollywood industry. So as of 2025, he has an estimated net worth of $500,000 US. He lives in Lagos State, Nigeria.
Gold in front of you. You see gold in front of you.
How do you marry her?
I don't know.
Thanks for watching. We have come to the end of this video, so please like, share and comment. Subscribe to my channel. Most importantly, subscribe. Thank you. God bless you. Stay tuned for more. Bye. See you in my next video. Bye bye.